turns me inside. Something about you, baby.
I love you, Echo!
If you're facing a man like me, can feel this way. Tell me how much longer this will grow stronger every day.
I love you, Echo! I love you!
That was long for a mission. Now I'm sure that I won't forget you. And I thank my lucky stars. You might be one, not just another lucky baby. Till I break my heart. Facing a man like me, can't feel this way. Tell me how much longer this will grow stronger every day. How's everybody doing? How much longer? No one can tell me that I'm doing wrong today. Whenever I see you smile at me, no one can tell me that I'm doing wrong today. Whenever I see you smiling back at me, no one can tell me that I'm doing wrong today. Whenever I see you smiling,
I love you, Echo!
no one can tell me that I'm doing wrong today. Whenever I see you smiling back at me, yes I do, yes I do. There's something about you, baby. Something about you, baby. I don't know if I don't know. Just the way you are, you're my shining star. Well, how much longer you make me feel this way? We're getting stronger, getting stronger. I see you hindi ka man lang nagpakipot. Binigay mo na kagad. You should have waited at least a little. Like, third song, fourth song. Binigay mo na agad. I do. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for being here. After 15 years. Huh? Sige, chika lang kayo dyan. Dito lang kami. Chika lang kayo, concert lang kami dito. Wow, 15! Last time na may nag-concert dito sa... Nasaan ba ako?
Sydney!
Sorry,
Victoria!
nakalimutan ko.
I love you!
Marami daw nakakalimot dito eh. So, Victoria, si Miss Pilita Corrales. Tama?
I was with Echo.
Two down. I need help, buddy. Daming girls dito. Dalawa na, bro. So, just in case magsawa kayo, may isa pang pogi doon. His name's Chris. So, what? I'm happy and glad that I said yes to this concert because of Victoria.
Kinakarir ko na.
Tatlo na.
Very, very.
Beautiful place. Beautiful people.
Thank you.
Mas beautiful kasi maraming Filipinos.
We love you!
Thank you so much. Ano pa ba? Yung hospitality niyo hindi nawawala. Okay?
Ang gwapo ni Echo, promise.
Tira na ako sa bahay mo. Sa hospital ka ba nakatira? Joke lang. I love you, okay? Maraming gustong umampun sa akin dito eh. Okay, mas matagal-tagal tayo magkakasama. Thank you very much. Feel free na mag-iingay kayong lahat. feel cold, just grab a blanket. This next song is for all you Filipinos.
Thank you.
May miss na ba yung Manila?
Yes!
Oh, dali. Maraming beses na kita iniwanan, nilayasan at ibang pinuntahan. Parang babae kay hirap talagang malimutan. Everybody now! Manila, Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, coming home. So TFC, I walk the streets of San Francisco. I travel rides in Disneyland. Nearly a million girls singing. Somehow I feel that I don't belong. Kita Manila, Panginoon kay sabi, mga children na hihihan, mga babaeng nagkagandahan. Tayo lahat ng mga gandang babae. On the street, on the street, Manila, Manila, I miss you like Manila. Simply no place like Manila.
I love you!
Manila, coming home. Alright. Let's get something, right? Manila, come back. Just in case makalimutan yung pangalan ko. Alright?
I love you! Hanap kita! Manila!
Ang ingay mo ay sarap sa akin. Ang nagsisimula ng ilan. Mga babaeng nagkakandahan. Take it back in your arms, Manila. Take it back in your arms, Manila. I'm coming home to see you. Alright. Again, my name is...
Echo!
My name is...
Echo!
My name is...
Echo!
What?
Echo!
Alright. Para lang hindi nyo makalimutan. Okay. No, wala sa akin lahat ng karapatan para makalimutan ko yung lyrics ko. Kasi nasa Victoria ako eh. Tama. Alright, wow. Hila ko ng water. Hindi sa akin tayo. There's my water. Nandun siya. Anyway, well, you guys are having fun. Second song pa lang, buhay na kayo.
Yes!
Thank you. Well, I'm glad because this next song is my last. Yung tawag dyan, pakipot. Pa-fishing. Sure.
Ifi-fish kita!
Hindi uso pakipot. Mamaya may kanta ako para sa'yo. Okay, kanina may press con. May press con ba or may meet and greet? Oh, meet and greet, right? Si Miss, what's your name? Girl in blue kanina. And she had questions kanina, and then we talked about songs, and then I told her that I write songs.
Wow.
Yeah, I do write songs.
That's me!
Oh, that's you!
Yeah, thank you very much. Actually, ngayon gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo yung mga kanta na sinulat ko, no? Para sa iyo. Automatic ate ah. Wala nang requests. Sa akin na talaga. Own it, no? Anyway, sino dito ang broken hearted? Koday. Broken hearted ako, Day. Ang saya-saya ko kasi broken hearted ako. Kanta ka ng Ridgerin ko. Kasi broken hearted ako. Oh my gosh. Sino dito yung medyo confused?
Ako na naman.
Okay. Confused. Okay na ako, okay. Halika na dito. Sandy. Ha? Sandy. Sandy. Nice to meet you, Sandy. Alright. Okay. Sandy, para sa itong susunod na kanta. Para sa lahat ng confused, sometimes hindi nyo alam kung ano yung confused na. Kalimutan nila yung chair na bro. That's okay. We're in Sydney. I mean, Victoria. Sydney.
Echo is so cute.
I mean, kahit maupuan mo dyan, okay lang. Huwag lang upuan yung katabi mo. Sometimes, hindi natin alam yung feelings natin. Naguguluhan tayo. We have to, kailangan bala-balanse. Once upon a time,
Hi, Ate Mika.
na-confuse ako.
Kuya Miko.
Hindi sa
Ate
gender.
Mika, love you.
sa isang babae, kung maraming Christine fans dito, no? Okay. Minsan hindi mo alam kung ito ba susundin mo o ito. Diba? You don't know if it's like real, infatuated ka lang, or diba? You really love the person. Diba?
Yeah. Right.
So I wrote a song. At tawag ko sa kanya, Pusong Ligaw. Para sa inyo lahat. Di kita malimutan sa mga gabing nadaan. Ikaw ang pangarap, nais kong makamtan sa buhay ko ay ikaw ang kahulugan. Pag-ibig ko'y walang kamatayan, ako'y umaasa muli kang makan. Ikaw pa rin ang pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang tumutuhan. Pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Wala na po bukas, kailanman